How to private your Facebook account. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your Facebook account more private. This will help you control who sees your posts and information. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone or go to facebook.com in your web browser. Tap the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines in the bottom right corner. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. In the Settings menu, tap on Privacy Checkup. Tap Who can see what you share, then Continue. Change the setting to Friends or Only Me to limit who sees your profile details, like phone number, address, and your friends list. Make sure to set these on Only Me for complete privacy. Tap Next. Here you can decide who you want to see your posts and stories. Limit the audience for posts you've shared with friends or either public. Tap Next. After completing, tap Review another topic. Now, go for how people find and contact you. Limit your friend requests. Change this to Friends of Friends or Friends to limit who can send you friend requests. Next. Here is who can look you up using the email address you provided. Change this to Only Me or Friends, who can look you up using the phone number you provided. Change this to Only Me or Friends. Next, do you want search engines outside of Facebook to link to your profile? Turn this off to prevent your profile from appearing in search engine results. And that's all for the video. Now you know how to make your Facebook account more private. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Facebook privacy tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.